wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Crafted from an organic wood composite, the Epicurean nutmeg has an attractive striped appearance and a natural feel. This rustic selection will look lovely on your countertop or in your hands as you prepare delectable cookies and pies. There are 2 colors to choose from, both environmentally friendly. However, it is on the expensive end of the spectrum. At number 9, for those looking to update their entire kitchen toolkit, the bistrosa combo is a smart choice. It comes with a rolling pin, a chopper, a basting brush, and a silicone mat with printed measurements, which together make the baking process a breeze. The silicone parts are all dishwasher safe, and it's good value for the price, but it may arrive with items missing. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Wood may be popular, but other materials can get the job done too. The norpro stainless steel is a fine example, with its smooth finish and clean lines. This one's suitable for any modern cook on the hunt for something effective that's also easy on the eyes. It works well chilled and washes easily with soapy water. However, it rusts over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the beautiful top-notch kitchenware has an unusual eye-catching pattern that will impress anyone passing through your kitchen. Plus, at 18 inches long, it'll work wonders pressing out generous rounds of homemade pizza crust. It features a balanced weight and a Celtic knot detail, but the surface is slightly uneven. Moving up our list to number 6, the Fox Run Marble offers a convenient non-stick surface and a tough wooden body for stability. It can be cooled depending on your recipe, and its substantial weight ensures evenly flattened shortbread with minimal effort. There are 2 colors available, both with a base for storage. However, its rolling motion could be smoother. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the Joseph adjustable, you'll never have to estimate how thick your dough is ever again, as it comes with a set of discs that do all the work for you. If you're a perfectionist, this is definitely the product for you. It includes a pastry guide and is stylish and fun to use. It sports inch and centimeter markings. At number 4, if you're into the sleek appearance of stainless steel, then you'll love the Professional French from Ultra Cuisine. This pick is perfect for those who enjoy a minimalist aesthetic, but who also value superb craftsmanship and functionality. It doesn't absorb flavors or odors and is safe for the dishwasher. It's just under 16 inches long. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Versatile is the word that best describes the chef's organic gadgets. With its 6 handy measuring discs, you'll be capable of cooking up practically anything. From the thinnest, flakiest pie crusts to deep dish pizzas, the sky's the limit. It's easy to change out the discs, and it's a hard-wearing design. The measurements are conveniently color-coded. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, constructed from sturdy beechwood, the linden sweet and deep notched will impart an eye-catching pattern onto dough as you roll it out. Plus, it has ergonomic handles to prevent strain in the hands and wrists during those long baking sessions. This one's great for making flatbreads, and the roller is 10 inches long. It's a European design. And taking the top spot on our list, simplicity and performance are represented by the J.K. Adams dowel. Crafted by hand from maplewood, it offers a low-tech but timeless design that will make a welcome addition to the cabinet of any home or professional cook. It's made in Vermont and backed by a lifetime warranty. 2 sizes are available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video.